쉬는 시간. I'm gonna set.
I feel under there.
Oh my gosh.
너무 시원해.
You feel that?
Yeah, so you can crouch down. Oh, dude, that's great.
시원해. It's like perfect.
Yeah, if you put your head inside, you can feel it even more.
Amazing. Is this a good angle of me?
Because we don't have a Christian here, I asked one of my Korean friends for advice for what to bring.
Yeah. What'd they say?
First, of course, like
Oh yeah. Very
with
good.
the eggs, they said you have to have cider.
Oh, cider.
Boiled these this morning for us.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
그렇지.
oh
I think I did it too hard. 미안해.
약간 냉찜질방 분위기네. 네. 여름에 진짜 피서지로 되게 좋을 것 같아요. 얼음골. 시원하게.
It's a good combo. Thought of it myself.
man.
Isn't it? What a good day.
Yeah, man.
It's crazy.
Especially like the old time, like the Joseon time. I feel like I would love to live here.
I'm just gonna set up my house right
you know,
here.
Just like, oh man, like,
Your summer home.
yeah. Oh, that'd be the best.
Should we continue on?
Yeah, let's get going.
Okay.
I'll check.